Get ready to unlock the secrets of visual storytelling with the Enigma Bundle, brought to you by Blackout FX. Step into a world of mystery and intrigue as we unveil 4 captivating packs that will leave your audience amazed. Introducing Shadow Sight, where darkness reveals wonder. Transform footage with night vision LUTs, grainy textures, and enigmatic mats. Discover made-up movies, where imagination knows no bounds. Transport footage with fictional LUTs, seamless transitions, fantastical frames, and immersive titles. Experience flash flow, bending time and space with thrilling transitions. Enhance videos with dynamic flowing transitions pulsating with motion. Enter Digital Distortion, pushing reality's boundaries. Explore glitchy light flickers, seamless transitions warping space and time, captivating text overlays, and mesmerizing melt glitches. Choose to unlock the Enigma by acquiring individual packs, or seize the full power of the Enigma Bundle with a total of over 200 assets. The Enigmatic awaits.